Finally, we are here. A small detail that can make a big difference – bumpers. I've designed several bumper options and I will be adding more in the future. You can find all of them in Group 05 of the STL files. All bumpers should be printed in TPU filament with about 15% in fill. They are designed to stay flexible, so they absorb impacts instead of transferring force directly to the chassis. Installation is simple. Every bumper just slides onto the front mount. No screws, no hassle. The first option is the smallest one. It offers minimal protection but keeps the car light and compact. The second option is a good balance between protection and size. This is the one I would recommend for most driving. Enough stiffness without adding too much bulk. And the third option is the most durable. It's larger and heavier, but provides the best protection if you plan to drive aggressively or crash often. I suggest starting with the most sturdy option, especially if you are new, and switching later once you gain more driving experience. Pick the bumper that fits your driving style best, and remember, you can swap them in seconds.